Number 5. Forni Easy Weld 140 MP. Forni Easy Weld 140 MP is a multi-process 3-in-1 welding machine. MIG welder and DC TIG welder. Everything you want in a welding machine, you will get that here. Easy Start makes every strike easy. 3-position switch allows you to change the process on the fly. Operating the machine is quite straightforward. Even if you never used a welding machine before, you won't have a hard time operating this machine. Number 4. AHP Alpha TIG 200X 200 amp welder. The AHP Alpha TIG 200X is a quality, but affordable machine that's great for TIG welding aluminum, stainless or steel, and also stick welding. There are some cool features with this unit, and you'll struggle to find a better value TIG welder out there that gives such good quality results. It's primarily a TIG welder, but you can also stick weld with this to give you another option when TIG isn't appropriate, e.g. outdoors, or you don't need the quality of TIG. Number 3. Lincoln Electric Square Wave TIG 200 TIG Welder, K5126-1. If you're working with aluminum, non-ferrous metals, or your weld strength is crucial, you need a solid TIG welder to get the job down. The Lincoln Square Wave TIG 200 is an adaptable welder that's a perfect all-in-one if you're not doing anything too heavy. It may be a bit flippant to call it a hobby welder, but if you're doing a lot of heavy industrial welding as part of your career, you're going to need something with a little more beef. Number 2. Hobart 500553 3-handler 210 MVP MIG welder. For an easy-to-use, reliable MIG welder with 210A of power, the Hobart 210 MVP is hard to beat. MVP stands for multi-voltage plug, which means it runs on 120 or 240 input voltage. Plus it can weld up to 3/8 inch thick steel, and with the optional spool gun you can handle a 1/4 inch. Number 1. Forni Easy Weld 140 FCI welder. The Forni Easy Weld 140 FCI is a hobbyist-grade flux core welder. It's priced accordingly for what it offers and built well. The 140 FCI is a wire feed welder. This means that you can't do actual MIG welding because it doesn't have a gas line support. You are limited to flux core welding. But it's a very inexpensive machine aimed at beginners, DIY enthusiasts, and light fabrication use. Forni made a good blend of features while cutting costs,